Hey guys, it's Burgas here, and in this video I'll talk about which epic hero dominates PvP and progression in the Dragonheir Silent Gods, and of course write down in the comments which you think is this epic hero. I will just give some clues, and this is a hero that is providing great boost in the arena and also is providing great healing, not only in the arena but also in the dungeons or any other place in the Dragonheir Silent Gods. So I would directly jump on this hero, and in my opinion this is of course Questa. Now some people may know this hero, some people may not, but this is the hero right here. I will start first of all for the arena, and this is the Captain Aura, attack aura. This is 30% increase all allies attack in the Grand Gladiator Arena battles. This is very important. Now there's heroes that is going to give you different stuffs, like for example Sigrid is going to give you some accuracy, or maybe Horus that is going to give you some HP. But for the arena, this boost 30% extra attack is absolutely huge. Any hero you have is going to have extra 30% attack, and this guarantee a killing of the enemy more faster, and the less enemy you have the better. You're just going to win faster in general. So yeah, what else actually separate Questa? And one of the spells is of course this one, charge toward the enemy within the lowest HP. So we're going to go for direct kill right now, right here, with 420 attack necrotic damage, 75% chance to inflict attack penalty. Now we don't care that much for the attack penalty, maybe if it's a chieftain fight in the dungeons, but we care to actually kill this hero and make less heroes. If you face less heroes, it's way more easy for you to win in general. And this is the other important spell. This is every time an enemy dies, grant recovery over time. And believe me, this recovery is not 100 HP per second. This is pretty decent recovery. So if you kill maybe 2-3 in same time, this recovery is going to get boosted, and sometimes I see 8000 HP per tick for 10 seconds. This is huge amount of HP you can get from Questa. As we can see, she's jumping on the low HP to actually go for kill, and of course the other jump is jump toward the enemy, dealing 950% attack necrotic damage, stealing 30% of their ultimate energy. Now this apply for the arena, but this also apply for the boss fighters. If you can take out 30% of the ultimate energy of the boss, this is huge. This is absolutely huge, and it's going to give you some extra seconds, so your heroes is going to hit more spells. If in one normal boss fight you actually maybe hit 10 times and the boss hit maybe 7, in future if you have Questa, the boss will hit maybe 6 times and you're going to hit 10 times. This is huge advantage, this 30%. Also the damage is absolutely insane, is 950%, and ultimate energy and healing. The hero, also this hero can care for himself. You don't need a healer to actually care that much for Questa. And since she's jumping around, it's really hard for your healer to actually heal her. So this is absolutely great advantage, this healing for the hero. Now this so far for the arena. For the dungeons, if the dungeon have stages, every hero, every mob, every monster that died there is going to provide a healing. I do 120 level bosses with Questa with no healer. This healing over time is absolutely huge and is great boost for the dungeons. Of course the rest of the things is pretty nice. Now if you have a lot of good accuracy, you can apply this attack penalty, but it's not so important. It's just for 5 seconds, this attack penalty. So you can go for accuracy, to be honest. You can go for accuracy to apply this attack penalty, but I think Sigrid can help you better with this because her attack penalty is again level 2, which means 50%, but in the same time it's for 10 seconds. And of course this is for the boss. As I said, getting 30% of their ultimate energy is absolutely huge. So yeah, this is so far for Questa. I think this is the ultimate hero for the arena and for the dungeons. Of course, for the arena, use her as captain. Definitely this 30% in Grand Gladiator Arena is definitely help. If you go for the boss fight, you can go maybe with Sigrid and get some extra accuracy for your team, since the buffs and debuffs in the dungeons is very important. Or you can go with other heroes. I mean, maybe the Horus, who have 25% HP for everybody. It's depending, but you can choose between the heroes which aura. But for the arena, I think so far this is one of the best captains, and of course the rest of the skills. So I guess this will be for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, hit one like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next amazing video.